Most people think ChatGPT got worse, but the real problem is how they're using it. This avatar looks exactly like me, and I made it in minutes with ChatGPT, completely free. If you've ever wanted a digital twin like this for YouTube, TikTok, or Faceless content, stay with me. I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step. Watch till the end because I'll share the exact prompt that makes the avatar look like you, along with the photo mistakes you should avoid when creating a lookalike avatar. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT, then go to your gallery, downloads, or wherever your photo is saved and upload it. After that, you can say something like this: generate a prompt I can use for the above picture to create a lookalike avatar in a Pixar-style cartoon. Everything must remain the same, and it must be rendered in a polished, high-quality 3D animation style. Then click the arrow to generate and wait for it to finish. There you go, your prompt is ready. Now that we're done with the first step, it's time to generate our lookalike avatar using the prompt we just created. Hang tight, like and subscribe. While you're still in ChatGPT, go ahead and upload the same image you used earlier to create your prompt. Make sure it's the exact photo because that's what helps the AI capture your real features accurately. Once the image is uploaded, copy and paste the new prompt that ChatGPT just generated for you. Take a few seconds to read through it so you know exactly what's happening, then scroll down and click the arrow below to start generating your avatar. Now you'll see the magic happening. The image is being created right in front of you, and this usually only takes a few minutes, so just hang tight. And there it is. It's loading. Boom, that's our twin. Look at that. This is not a real photo. This is not Photoshop. This is straight up AI at its best. The details, the likeness, the smooth finish. It's honestly impressive. This is how you create a realistic lookalike avatar using AI, step by step. ChatGPT really deserves its flowers for this one because this right here is next level. Next, make sure you generate the image in a landscape 16:9 aspect ratio, especially if you're planning to use it for YouTube. This format is perfect for YouTube videos and makes everything look clean and professional on screen. Once you've selected the 16:9 layout, go ahead and hit Generate. Now all you have to do is wait a moment while the image is being created. And there it is, our beautiful lady avatar, fully ready to use on our Faceless YouTube channel. It looks polished, professional, and perfect for content creation. And just like that, you've got your digital twin from ChatGPT in minutes for free. Next slide, I'll show you how to lock your avatar and change the background. First, to lock it, change the background and have it seated. It'll go like this. Place the existing avatar exactly as is, without changing her face, body, hairstyle, outfit, or proportions. Seat the avatar naturally on a luxury modern couch. The background is an elegant high-end interior with soft lighting, neutral tones, and a premium cinematic feel. The avatar remains the main focus, realistic posture, polished 3D style, upscale and professional. Once you're done, hit the generate button and let ChatGPT work its magic. A moment later, there it is. Wow, amazing, right? Same AI avatar, totally different background. I love it here. You can generate anything you want and get help at the same time. Now, before you try this yourself, there's one important thing you need to know. This voice was created using 11 Labs. Check the link in the description below. Let's wrap this up with the final part of the video, where I'll show you the 3 biggest photo mistakes to avoid when creating a lookalike avatar. The first one is bad lighting, the second is blurry photos, and the last one is filters or beauty effects. Now let's take a closer look at each of these and how they affect the final result of your digital twin avatar. Starting with bad lighting, here's what you need to know. The examples on screen show the most common lighting mistakes: hard side lighting, overhead lighting, and backlighting. This is where most avatars start going wrong. Lighting is critical when creating a realistic lookalike avatar. When the lighting is off, the results are instantly affected. And with that out of the way, let's start with hard side lighting. One side of the face is overly bright, while the other side falls into shadow. This hides important facial details and creates uneven features, which causes the avatar to look distorted or inaccurate. Overhead lighting creates harsh shadows under the eyes, nose, and chin. It exaggerates facial lines and changes the natural shape of the face, making the avatar look older or less realistic. Backlighting places the light behind you instead of in front. This darkens the face and removes detail completely, forcing the AI to guess. And when AI guesses, your likeness is lost. That's how bad lighting alone can completely throw off your digital twin. On blurry photos, first, motion blur. When you or the camera moves, your face loses sharp edges, and the AI can't lock onto real features. If it looks like the photo is in motion, don't use it. Second, out of focus. If your eyes, nose, and mouth aren't clear, the AI is forced to guess, causing inaccurate results. Finally, low resolution. Pixelated or blurry photos lack detail and make avatars look fake. Use sharp, clear photos only. Lastly, filters or beauty effects. Most people should avoid filtered photos when creating lookalike avatars. Filters make faces look plastic, overdone, or fake. They distort real features, create crooked or inconsistent details, and confuse the AI. Instead of matching you, the avatar copies the filter. For accurate results, always use clean, natural photos. Now you know how to create your lookalike avatar and the photo mistakes that can completely ruin it. Want to take this further? Watch the next video, where I'll show you how to change your avatar's clothes, hair, and background and make it move naturally on screen. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.